talk about SDG 3. So Kamakya, once again, can you share what is SDG 3?
Excuse me, ma'am. I have searched and it is SDG 3 is good health and well-being.
Okay, good health and well-being. What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, that we should be healthy and eat healthy food.
Okay, only by eating healthy food we can be healthy?
No. To be healthy, I think we should be intelligent.
We should also exercise.
Yeah.
Exercise. We need to exercise.
And don't eat much junk food.
Don't eat too much junk food and don't sleep
and don't
till like
be lazy.
12 o'clock.
First thing that don't be lazy.
Yeah, lazy. Don't be lazy. That's the. Don't pollute the environment.
Yeah. Pollution
Okay, because of pollution we get so many diseases.
Yeah.
We should have pure air, pure water. Kamakya, whom are you looking at and getting those answers?
We should don't drink bad water.
See, no one is here. See, no one is here.
Okay, somebody was saying about smoking.
Yeah, Mama, I was saying we should never smoke.
Oh, yeah, you were saying.
It's like.
What else? Enough contribute, please.
You should not pollute the environment.
Mom, we should do exercise in the morning.
If I say that health is also about mental health, then what?
Do you mean intelligence?
No.
We should be hygienic also.
Okay, be hygienic also.
Yep.
What are you trying to do to be happy? That is also being healthy.
Yeah, being happy.
Yes. So what do you do to keep yourself happy?
I always play, watch cartoon, do my work. I eat sometimes junk.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can, Pranav. Play with my family. Play with your friends. Jenga, every day.
Ludo. Cricket. Roblox. And Minecraft.
Not Roblox.
Minecraft makes you happy.
Ma'am, to be happy, I play Minecraft, play PS4, and also play Minecraft, and also play Roblox, and also see cartoon, and rest.
And Techno Gamers app also.
Now, if I say something different, what about being kind? Kindness.
Yes. Yes. If you hate someone, you feel happy that today I hate someone.
Just think of one example where you have been kind to someone and share with me.
Like we need to tell you about when we did help someone in real life. Okay, I'll tell you about father. I'll tell you about
It can be anybody outsider, your brother, sister, your pet dog, your parent, anybody.
Can I tell you what my father did?
Okay, yes.
Okay, so like a really long time ago, like we were somewhere else and we were having dinner in a restaurant, but there was so much food left, so we packed it, and then we saw a poor family. They said that kids sleep, I'll get you some food tomorrow morning. So my father gave them packed food to them. They were so happy. They, and they said, kids, wake up, you can eat food. And I was so happy to see that. So yeah, that was an kind act.
That was one kind act. And see, you remember it today and you are feeling so good in the class while narrating it, right? So that is giving you happiness even today, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Well, I'll also tell you in one way that I helped someone and I felt happy. It was when, it was it wasn't days before, it was like some days before, and like I could go to the mall. Our whole family had went. Also, some of my relatives had went. So like my smaller sister, who moves here and there like Flash, I controlled her for almost 2 hours, and I felt so happy that I controlled my sister, who was a Flash.
Oh wow, that's so great, Priyansh.
Ma'am?
That is weak example. Good. Yes, Kamakhya.
And ma'am,
Can I
like
tell
my
now?
father, like he, like every year, if it's like every year, it's a special day, like sometimes. So he does bandara for the poor people. He sets up a bandara, outside the apartment, and even I go with him and I give food to the poor people. I feel happy, and even my father feels happy.
Okay, so since you're talking about Bhandara, so here I would like Kamakhya to do one more duty. Like I see so many Bhandaras happening across Rohini, and the one thing which troubles me is the use of the thermocol plates. Hundreds of them are used in one single day, and then they are not biodegradable. They will pollute the earth for 500-600 years. So by giving food to somebody for one time and polluting the earth for 500 years, we are not doing anything good, right? So
So
we
what is
need to
the
educate.
solution?
There are some other options available. There are pattals available. There are biodegradable plates available, paper plates available, metal.
Before COVID, I went to this, like, near our house only, there's a Pav Bhaji Bhandara, and I saw that those people, they really love the nature. Because when they pass the plate in a car, I saw it was made out of steel, and I could see that someone was washing those utensils, making them fresh, and giving them again. Which was like, I
That's
thought that's appropriate.
important. Yes. On the highway, I see bandaras organized by various gurudwaras. They also reuse it, they wash it, and then they serve again.
They serve it
So
again.
yes, that is good. Okay.
Like on sometime, like we went somewhere that time, I think I was like 6 or 7, and my father bought bananas, fruities, and I was like so good. I was gonna drink that, but then I thought Papa must be giving it away, which is good. He was giving it to the poor kids outside the apartment.
Akshit, do you want to add something here?
Um, that means I don't eat much bhandara food.
No, I am not talking about bandaras. It is good that you don't eat because it is for the needy, right? It is for the needy only. If you are not eating that, that was also your contribution. Okay. So act of kindness is not only distributing food in the bandaras, like as Ridyansh mentioned that he took care of the girl for 2 hours. That is also act of kindness, helping the aunt,
But
right?
also by saving the environment by not. I remember there are these apartments in Ruini. It's like, just near my house. Like we just go somewhere, and there, like, near apartments, some people who aren't also that, like, they don't really have that much money, actually teach the more poor people. And do you know what?
Oh,
Like, and you know what? Like, what happened? That my grandmother always passes, and then she see someone has less stationery and they aren't able to understand the concept. So she took a whole cardboard of pencils, and then I, my mother, and my grandmother, we went there and contributed pencils to them for their education.
One experience, and so what my dad also, my dad,
okay,
in the,
okay.
when we go somewhere, my dad can keep biscuits in that, like some biscuit Parle-G. So what we do, when poor people comes, we meet when we go every day there is meats, biscuits kept there. So we give to them poor people, and I am so happy for that. them.
That means you always keep
And
some
ma'am,
biscuits
you
in your
know,
car, buy some vegetable and something from these vendors. I do not do bargaining with them. Like buying 20 rupees kg a carrot and then giving 18 rupees and bargaining it to 15 rupees. I don't do that. I rather give a little bit more because they are working hard. And these small vendors, by bargaining with them on small food items and so bargaining with those.
really nice. Bargaining is also bad. Like it's 20 rupees, and then you're like you give them like 10 rupees or 18 or anything. That's bad.
Right. You have to do big things like if you are simply obeying your mother, that is also kindness.
Mm.
If you feel remember Kamakya that day when your mother was sleeping and you requested me that I have see who is at the door. That is also act of kindness.
Yeah, I
And
mean,
mom, you
I
know,
was sleeping. And mom, sometimes like if her clothes are small, she gives her all small clothes to our maid.
well, that's like, we also do it here. And do you know what? Sometimes it happens.
And mom, also like if my didi is not here and my mother is asleep, so sometimes if someone is at the door, I go to the door, and if it's good over here, I just give it to him. And sometimes my mother wakes up, so I just come and attend my class. That's all. So yeah, I just
You are
help.
being kind to your mother. You are being kind to your mother, right? You are helping her. Kind. Being kind to someone gives us happiness, and that happiness stays in us for a long time. That not only make us happy, but that produces a lot of chemicals in our body, which makes our health also better, which removes stress, brings smile on our face, make our internal organs work better. Okay, so if you are doing something good, like handling your sister when your mother is busy, that is also act of kindness. Doing your own things, packing
Like
your
we
own
are.
things so that your mother is at ease, that is also act of kindness. Okay, so kindness, like okay, you feel
Know that like my grandmother scolds my aunt or mother when the the back door is left open because anyone can sneak in. So where I always check there is the door closed because I don't want my mother to get scolded. So then I check, and if the door is closed, okay. If it's not, I go and close it on my own.
right, silently helping her without telling. That
Yeah.
is kindness, without showing, without telling.
Secret
Okay,
kindness of fact that you help them, but you don't show them.
yes, don't show them.
Yeah.
That
I
is
also
kind.
mean to that
I
like
just
when the motor rang, I always is means off it, and my mother got late to off it. She sees it is not on.
Yes, and that way you save water also, right, right, Pranav?
Yep.
You are sharing with me in class today. That means that that has given you happiness, right?
Yeah.
So that small things. You don't have to be like a big superhero to be kind, to be happy. People like
you
you and me can be
can
happy by small things, but not showing them that oh
you
we
can
are doing
also
this.
be a normal human being if you want to.